to show you how to add conditional fields into your forms in Indition Forms. So here I just have a demo form, and at the bottom you can see that I have a radio button field, and the last question is other. So I'm going to add a conditional field to appear when the selection in this field is other. And that's just a very classic example of what conditional forms are, or form fields are. The idea is that the field is uncovered if the conditions that you set up are met. So to do that, I'm just going to add a regular text field. And I'll go into it. I'll change this to say if other, explain what your favorite treat is. Now here I want to make this field conditional. So what's going to happen is I can go over to conditions. It looks like someone's already created a condition in this form. If you do create a condition in a form, then you'll have that condition available to you in every other conditional field. So just for the sake of showing you, I will add a new condition, and I'll say if other, show conditional field. That's just the name of it. Here I want to say in my form field, what is your favorite breakfast treat? If that equals other, then I want this field to appear. So I'll click save. You'll see that's automatically selected for me. And now I have the condition set where my new text field will appear if the end user selects other in my what is your favorite breakfast treat question. To show a little more detail of what you can do for conditional fields, I can maybe say your first name is John and you like donuts, then I want to show my field. So if I wanted to do that, I could go in here, say John likes donuts. In first name field, your name is John, and your favorite breakfast treat equals donuts. That then lets me create a condition that essentially has two conditions. So first name has to equal John, and their favorite breakfast treat has to be a donut. Then this will appear. If I have two conditions set, so I have two conditions set to on here, that means if one or the other or both are met, then my field will appear. So that is how you add a conditional field to your form. If you're going to be building a custom form design, there are a few helpful hints that lets you know that the field is conditional and that if you don't have the fields that it is dependent on in the form design, you won't be able to add the conditional field to that design.